Welcome to the ServiceNow Next experience. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the interface and how the updated design improves your work experience by simplifying tasks in workspaces. The Next experience is an enhanced UI available to all users starting in the San Diego Family release. It uses simplified workflows, low-code tools, and a unified navigation header to make accessing work and applications easier and faster. Our goal with this improved UI was simple: to bring all of your applications and work in one single pane view. This gives you more flexibility to drive production, configure pages faster, and deliver more engaging experiences for your end users. Let's take a look. When you open your instance, you'll see that a lot has changed. Let's start with the theme. This theme will apply to all of your workspaces, forms and lists, and dashboards. Only legacy workspaces will open in a new window and keep the same classic UI theme. You will still be able to access data and perform tasks as usual on the platform. Next, we'll look at landing pages. The simplified layout gives you more space and visibility to work related to your role. Here, you can see all work items displayed in one page, like task assignments, critical tasks, number of tasks, and ranking of task priority. As you scroll down, you have insight into record lists, graphs, tables, and additional resources, all relating to your role. And on the top banner, you can click this button for more content to help get you onboarded with the UI. Now let's dive into the Unified Navigation header. The Unified Navigation has 4 distinct zones and is adjoined to the top banner. It offers the same functions as the classic navigation toolbar, plus it gives you the option to display and collapse menu items. This helps you focus on work that's important to you. You can also filter and favorite classic UI modules with this header as well. Clicking each tab shows drop-down menus for all of your applications, pages marked as favorites, recent activity, and workspaces assigned to you. You can pin any of these menu tabs to display them on the left side of your instance, or unpin them to give you more workspace. The contextual app pill displays the name of the current landing page. Navigating to a different landing page will change the name displayed here. To save any page for easier access, click on this star, and it will be added to your Favorites tab list. Clicking the Now logo will take you back to your home landing page. Next, we have the Global Search filter, which helps you search across your instance for any related items. Enter your search term and select View Results, and you'll see a list of related records. Use the Get Help icon for any questions you may need answered, and the Notifications icon to view any updates or pending items that need your attention. Finally, you can customize your preferences by clicking the profile icon. Here you can change how your instance is displayed, switch from light to dark mode, choose what data is visible in charts and tables, and enable which notifications you see in your workspaces in Core UI. These are just some of the features available to you in the Next Experience user interface. Be sure to check out more content we have available to make the most of your journey. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.